Come As You Are by Nirvana. Start with the open E string with the low E string twice. Then in the first fret with the index finger of the E string, and then in the second fret of the E string with your middle finger. So. And try to have the right angle here. Don't let your fingers lie like this. Them stand up straight. So 0, 0, 1, 2. And then you play while still holding down in the second fret with the middle finger of the E string. While you're still holding on that note, you play the open A string. So now A, from the top. Then you go back to the E string, play that twice, still holding here the second fret of the E string. So till there. 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Open E string. Till there. And then you put your middle finger on the second fret of the A string and play again. One time the open E string, then one time the A string, and twice the open E string. And from the top. And at the very last note is again the A string, where still your middle finger is waiting. So I say the strings now that I play, because I think the frets are quite obvious. E, 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 A, E, A, E, 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 A, E, E, E. At the end it's an A again. E, 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 A, E, A, E, 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 A, and then back to the riff again. So let's play it slowly together. We only play the low E string twice at the very beginning. When you play it in a loop, there's one open E string missing. I tell you what I mean. You start out E, 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 A, E, A, E, 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 A, E, 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 and then E, E, E. You have that open E string was kind of stolen by the very last note you played on the A string. This one. And then as I said before, it's important to have your fingers straight coming from the top, pushing down the string on the fretboard, because if the finger is too much like this, you will block the open A string there. That's see the problem there. And try to be with the fingers as close to the frets as possible for you. Don't push down the string here in the second fret, but here. Okay? So have fun. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.